Give your walls a whole new look like never before with DAVIES Megacryl MCS Colored Semi-Gloss Latex, a premium water-based paint that's smooth, long-lasting, and perfect for your interior walls. Megacryl MCS dries fast, has low odor for indoor use, and provides superior durability. Here's everything you'll need. DAVIES Megacryl MCS, DAVIES Bondo, DAVIES Concrete Putty, Spatula, Sandpaper, Paint Roller, Brush, and Paint Tray. Before the application, prepare DAVIES Concrete Putty, then apply it to hairline cracks using a spatula. Let it dry for 2 hours. Make sure surfaces are clean, dry, and free of oil or dust. Now prepare DAVIES Megacryl MCS. Mix it thoroughly. Apply 2 coats using a roller for large areas and a paintbrush for the areas that the roller cannot reach. Allow 2 to 3 hours of drying time in between coats. Apply 1 coat of DAVIES Bondo as the primer and also to cover the dark old paint. Let it dry for 2 hours. Apply 2 coats. There are 77 more colors to choose from. Your walls stay smooth, vibrant, and protected for years with DAVIES Megacryl MCS. Smart protection for every surface.